If you want to set up a password on your Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we can scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy, and after that scroll down again and go to device unlock. Now let's tap on screen lock. Now we can choose the password type that we want to set up. In my case I'm gonna use numeric as I want a simple PIN code, and after 5 seconds you should be able to proceed. So let's press next. And there we go. By default, in this case, we need to enter 6 digits. However, we can press use a different password type in order to switch to any other option. I'm gonna actually switch to 4 digits. Enter the password. If it's an easy to guess password, then you will see this information that this password is too common. So you can press re-enter in order to enter a new password, or you can press use and continue. Now we're gonna enter the same password again. Besides that, we have the option to immediately set up the fingerprint. However, in my case right now, I don't want to do this. And that's about it. The password is now set up. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.